Hi David, how's things? I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of my application, which is a car tuning app. So people will input the car that they have, and then they can from there enter in what modifications and the performance of the car after they've made alterations to their car. So I'll just head into the application now, view the database, and there's no data. I haven't inputted any data yet. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video now and I'll come back once I've entered some data, and then I'll go through the CRUD features then once that's done. So just joining back now, if I press view all again, I've added in 3 cars. So I've added in Audi TT RS, a BMW M5 and an Audi R8. So what I'll do now is we'll go back and I will add in a new car. So I'll add in an Aston Martin DB9. We'll say we've added a new exhaust and we've added a supercharger. Horsepower is now 700, torque is now 800 foot-pound. The cost we'll say was 7,500, and our 0 to 60 time is, I don't know, 3 seconds. We'll insert that now. Go into view all, and here's a new one we just added. So we have car ID 4, Aston Martin DB9, modifications made, the exhaust, supercharger, brake horsepower, torque, and the total cost of the modifications. So what I'll do now is I'll go back and change car ID number 3. So we'll say we added more modifications. So if I want to change ID number 3, it's the Audi R8. So as well as the exhaust, we've added a turbo, and we've added an intercooler. The horsepower is now up from 5 to 6. Our torque is up from 500 to 700 foot-pounds. Our cost has also gone up, we'll say to 7,000, and our 0 to 60 time has dropped. So we'll update that value. So it's been updated successfully. If we view all, we can see there's the 2 new additions. Horsepower's gone up, torque's gone up, cost of modification's gone up, and our 0 to 60 time has decreased. So what we'll do now is we'll delete this value here. So if I just press delete, go view all, and there we go. The Audi R8's gone. Car ID 1, 2, no 3, and 4 is there as well. So that's the insert, update, delete, and the view all. I have this share feature, which at the moment is just kind of for concept purposes. The app isn't hosted, so you're not going to be able to share an app that's locally hosted on your PC. But what I have done is I've hard coded a URL of what would be my app had it been hosted. So just say another tuning app on the Play Store. So if I go share, here's the app of another person. There's a similar thing on a Play Store which is live. If I go into Gmail, I'll send it to myself. If I come back, go into my Gmail, go back, here's this new email at 5:08 PM. Click it, click the link, and there's the share feature that I'm working. So I could share that link if my app was hosted with some friends or whatnot. So that's all I have to show you, David. I hope that was okay. If you have any questions, just email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.